Now I will show you how to install the Corel Draw X4 software. Prepare the installation folder first. Then we choose by clicking this file. Here I install the X4 version. Select with click allow blocked, then check it like this. Click next. But I turned off the internet connection first. Okay, then we just choose this one. Click next again. Here I untick these two things. I check the secondary import-export feature. In the option tab I check product updates. Then we click install now. We wait a while until the installation is complete. Installation time depends on the specifications of your PC. Well, it's finished like this. And click Finish. And we see on the menu there is a Corel Draw X4 menu. Now we are looking for a place to install it first. Open My Computer. Open Program Files x86. Then open the Corel folder. And follow my steps. And now copy the 3 files in this folder. And paste it here. We click 3 files to approve the override process. We close all folders. Then we try running Corel Draw X4 software. Now it has been successfully installed. And now we try running the Corel Photo Paint software. Now we have seen successful use. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel so you can get the latest updates from this channel. Don't forget to share this video, give your thumbs up and say your comment below. Bye.